So what day is it, Elaine?
Wednesday?
I think so, yeah. Yeah. And we've just left Barat after 2 nights there.
Yeah.
What did you think of Barat?
I liked it. It was really pretty. Quite vibrant, lots of people about, but not rammed, not overly busy. Oop. Roads are a bit more basic now, aren't they?
They are a little bit. And so what we've decided today is we haven't decided what we're going to do.
Well, we have for the day. We
Right.
just don't know where we're staying tonight.
Okay.
But that's fairly usual, normal, yeah.
But yeah, do we know exactly what we're doing then today? What we're doing?
We're going to Bogova or Bogovi, not sure how you say it, waterfall.
Okay.
And then we're going to see if we can walk through part of the Osumi Canyon.
Okay.
If the water isn't too strong and too high and too cold.
So have you got your water shoes at the ready?
Yep.
You got your swimsuit or your
Yep.
shorts?
Yep. Have you?
Yeah, of course I have. Always ready.
They're just in your bag somewhere, are they?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Whereas like mine are at the top of my bag.
Well, mine are
So
in a
I
separate
can
bag.
easily get changed. Yeah, whatever.
Mine are in a separate water shoe and short bag.
Oh,
There
you have
go.
got a bit more organised.
Oh,
Woo,
yes.
Without me even asking you to do it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
And then, so we've got 5 days left. So, have we got any idea where we're stopping tonight?
No, I told you.
Okay. So we might end up on the coast. We might end up in a rural shack somewhere near the Grand Canyon.
Once we've finished our day, we'll see where we are and see what's available. How about that?
Okay, no problem.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, of course it is.
Police.
We had.
I stopped it. It's the police, for God's sake.
Oh dear. Oh. You did stop it, or you didn't stop it?
No, I did stop it.
Oh,
I didn't want to get done for recording the police. God
Oh.
knows.
They were smiling.
Yeah, I know they were.
I think we'd have been in trouble in 1990, but I think we're okay now.
Is that then?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool. So we've got 7 minutes to go to the waterfall. Going along these windy mountain roads. The river is down in the valley there, which we're going to join up with again at some point. The scenery is pretty epic, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
You can see the river again down there. I don't know if I can pick it up. Yeah, a little bit. This is called the Brown Pool.
All right, okay.
It's just a bit dry for the waterfall at the minute.
So
Sorry about that.
is that where the waterfall comes normally?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you can see the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, so that's 2,000 lek, please.
Okay. That was first tiny little bit of slight intimidation that we've had in Albania, I think. Would you say?
I didn't find it intimidating.
Didn't you?
No.
He was quite smiley, but a young bloke was at a free car park and he was like saying, yeah, leave 500 with me and I'll make sure that your car is okay.
When he said it to me, he said, but you don't have to straight away.
Yeah. Anyway, we left him 200 and he said it would be okay for 200, so I suppose that's better. Anyway, we're off to the waterfall now. Trek, trek, trek. Trek, trek, trek. Trek, trek, trek. Trek, trek, trek. Whee!
26 minutes.
There we go. That is as cold as. Some locals jumping in. I don't think they fancy it too much. Are you going in? It's cold, isn't it? It is icy cold. Scott's reaction. Well, there you go. That's how to do it. Okay, the bravest one of us this time is Elaine. Yeah, I think we can lip read that. God, it's cold. Oh my god. Oh, she's in now. Is it colder there? I just asked if it was cold on that side. Oh look. Very artistic. Has anyone got a heated blanket for her? I know, when I put my feet in, just my toes went bright red instantly.
Yeah, my feet are alright with the water shoes on, but yeah, my hands.
Yeah. Have you got a spare wetsuit for me then? No, that's a shame.
It's very, very cold. I told you. No pressure, but that's taken 1 minute so far. Yeah.
Whoa.
Get some water. Put some water on you at the top.
That is cold on top of it, yeah. Can't do that.
Can't you do it?
A headache.
Wow. Well, my head just went numb. I might try again in a minute, but that was like paralysingly cold. Can't blame that Elaine did it. This guy is right up. I don't think he's going to do it. All for show. Don't blame him.
I was wondering, we're making a video of him dying.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Yeah, thank you. That's lovely bag. Yeah.
What is it?
How did you find the waterfall, Elaine?
Quite cold.
Quite cold.
Yeah.
You've got a big smirk on your face.
How did you find it?
Incredibly freezing. Oh Jesus. My head went into sort of like spasm. I only went up to my shorts. Just up to my waist. And I kind of like, it felt like I had pins and needles in my head. But you've just blown me out of the water by jumping in there and doing it. I take my hat off to you. Because I physically couldn't. I saw a couple of people jump in and they seemed to handle it okay. And then I saw one big bloke went in and he looked like he was panicking, so like swimming instantly. And I think that's how I felt, even though I didn't even get in to swim. Anyway, where are we going next?
Osumi Canyon.
Okay. So that's about 22 kilometres away.
Uh-huh.
And it's saying that we'll be there in about 40 minutes time, so lots of twists and turns up the mountains. I think we've got there's a restaurant that we can go to
Yeah.
with a viewing spot. Yeah.
No, there's a viewing spot near the restaurant. We just put that restaurant in so that we know where we're going.
Got you.
They're very sort of communist apartment blocks, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah.
Shush shush now, doggy.
Yeah. This is a different part of Albania to what. Yeah. There was a mule there, all packed up with cart boxes and stuff.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, yeah, he just had loads of boxes on both sides of it.
So we're quite a bit higher than the river now. It's got to be a classic, hasn't it?
Yeah. There's the farmer, the shepherd, having a good guzzle. Oh, look at them all.
All eaten.
Two more.
Oh, go on, catch up. Oops. Do their secret things.
Yeah, so what do you reckon this is then, Elaine?
Don't know. So obviously it was a factory of some description.
We've seen a few of these, haven't we?
Yeah.
That have been obviously derelict from maybe...
The 90s, maybe
Yeah.
earlier. Yeah.
And what did they say about them? What do you think?
The Polycam one was they were been making munitions there in secret.
Right, so you
And
reckon
it kept it hidden there.
because it's all sort of like within the mountain area.
Yeah.
So we've seen quite a few of them actually now, haven't we, in the different villages as we've been going along. There seems to be a different factory.
Yeah, whether they're all or were for munitions or not, I don't know.
Might have been building bunker parts. What's this place? Do we know?
Like you said, maybe Korovodi.
Did you see if it was cool?
I need to turn right.
Thank you.
So we're starting to see the edges of the canyon.
The roads have got a little bit narrower,
Yeah.
a little bit less defined as well. A few gravel patches now. Yeah. Coming into canyon land. Stop for a quick check of the canyon, see if we can see anything. Looks like there's a storm coming, and that's the way that we're travelling at the moment. Yeah, I heard the thunder as well, yeah. Can you see much? Just stopped on the side of the road to see if we can get a view. It's just a sheer drop. I think we'll probably just move on again just to this restaurant that we're going towards. I just wondered whether or not we could see. Just got tempted again. You can't, can you? No, I think we just need to. It's just another 4k down the road. So where we just stopped, we got in the car and we said we're not going to get distracted again until we get to the proper viewing point, which is 4.4k away. And then just around the next bend we see another viewing spot that you could actually get to. So yeah, 30 seconds later, that was it. We stopped again. I think it's worth it. There we go. There we go. As promised, the Albanian Grand Canyon. Assumi. So this is the next viewing spot of it. It's a little bridge to walk over. Do you wanna? Yep. Is it quite sturdy? I think the other viewpoint was better.
Where are you from?
From England.
England.
Yeah, where are you two?
Here.
Oh, from here, yeah.
We live in Deutschland.
Oh, do you? Yeah.
With my woman, my brother. But schön ist hier. It's beautiful here, huh?
It is, it's very beautiful. Yeah, we've enjoyed our stay so far. So just met a couple of guys in that bar over there. One of them is a rafting instructor, and they've just informed us that we've literally driven down this road where it's going to run out of tarmac in another mile, which we had heard about as well. So we're going to have to turn around and stop in another local town here for the night. But that gives us the opportunity to maybe go rafting tomorrow down the canyon, which will take a couple of hours. But then we've got to head all the way to Barat after that to then get back to the coast. So it's a bit of a payoff whether or not we get out early in the morning and just head off to the coast, or we stick around and do the rafting. We'll decide tonight, I think, over a meal. Now, you would get into the cold water today, but would you walk the Bridge of Death, Elaine?
Depends on the condition of the bridge.
There is a path that goes up there, so
Yeah.
yeah. Are we going to go one at a time on the bridge?
Let's have a look at the bridge first.
Okay. It looks okay to me. Yeah, I think that's fine. You go first. I'll go first. I think the rafting would be good. Yeah? Whoops. It's a bit of a creek down there. Yeah. It's quite good, babe, to be fair. Ta-da!
Freaks me out more than it used to, that's for sure.
Does it?
Yeah.
Shown some videos as well of this in November last year, and it's probably about 20 foot higher.
Yeah. Gushing.
And yeah, gushing out of there. Raging. Good word.
There he goes. Oh, that's how you wanted to do it, was it?
Did it look weird?
Yeah, of course it did.
Of course it did. Yeah.
Oops. There he is, ever victorious.
We're yeah, it's raining. That's the first bit of rain that we've had. We're just heading back towards the nearest town from the canyon, and there's actually some apartments that are overhanging the canyon, so we thought we'd just stop and see if we can get a decent price on these. They're on booking.com at £55, so they look quite nice and they get good ratings, so that includes breakfast. Elaine's just popped in to see if she can get something on it, so we'll see. And we're probably about 4 miles away from town, so if that's the case, we'll just go straight down and get some food now. Quick. Oh dear. I did carry the others in for her. £40 she got it for. So just a nice little apartment this time, but very tidy. Decent looking bathroom, nice and clean. Have we got a view?
Have we got a view?
Oh, cool. Yes, we have a view. Oh my god, that way is even better. Look at that. Cheers, babe. This is our view from the restaurant tonight. And so we've just been given a complimentary cake.
I cannot remember the name of it.
No, but he said it didn't translate,
Yeah.
but it was absolutely lovely, as you can tell. And now he's just given us 2 complimentary glasses of wine as well. Cheers. Well, we're going back to the room to enjoy the wine on the balcony. And these guys look like they're going to bed. Perfect end to the perfect day. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah. Yeah. Cheers. Getting used to these now, but it's a traditional Albanian breakfast if you come over here. Basically you get loads, and it's really good. And the guys who own this place have got small holdings, so you've seen the chickens about that are just free range running around for their eggs, but then over there you've got beehives, and they've got goats or sheep, not sure what, but there you've got the freshest of butters and honeys. It's just really, really good food.
Just on our way to Korovode. Oh look, Korovode. Where we're gonna meet the rafting guy, and we're gonna be rafting on the Asumi Canyon for an hour and a half, an hour and 45, something like that. Steve loves it. I'll be okay with it, but I could also swerve it. But I'll love the scenery.
Stop, it's fine. That's cold.
So here we are inside the canyon now, and it was so worthwhile doing it. It's absolutely beautiful, and you can't get an idea of what it's like actually from the outside. Even though it looked fantastic, it's so much better from the raft. What do you think now? Yeah? My hips are aching. Yeah. You really pull from there, don't you?
I think it's the seating position as well.
It is, babe. Right, finished the canyon rafting trip. Quite shattered actually. Hips hurting. I reckon my arms will be hurting later on today. And now we've got a trip down to the coast, which we're going to have to backtrack to Barat, and I think it's probably going to take us about 4.5 hours. It's 1:15 now, so we should be in Sarande by 6:30. Some of the views on this leg of the trip, well, to be honest with you, all of the trips, but are staggeringly beautiful. So many mountains and hills all throughout Albania, and the roads have been better condition than what I was expecting as well. All the main roads have been absolutely fine. It's been easy getting around. Hot, sweaty, and still not booked in. This is just occasionally it happens like this, but we've got to this resort and it's bigger than what we expected. Yeah, and nowhere to park really. There's just like, yeah, hotel after hotel, busy streets, and you can't park, so you can't ask what the prices are. I think Elaine's got a little bit down in the last hour or so, but I think we're about to get sorted. She's down to her last 2 hotels. I'm just waiting to see now whether or not this one's acceptable. Hopefully it is, because it's 8:15 now, and yeah, I'm ready to get a shower. We finished rafting about 5 hours ago, and so I'm humming a bit. Yay! It worked. So we've got checked in, and we've got a junior suite, and this is what it looks like. Walked in, so I don't know what it looks like myself. Bathroom. Yep. Nice and big. Hopefully that'll be a comfy bed, but I don't think we'll need to worry about that tonight. We'll just sleep no matter what. And this is the view that we've got. So, yeah, looks pretty decent actually. Couple of sunbeds for tomorrow. And a view of the bay. Nah, this is good. This is really good. And we've got this for £69 a night?
Yeah.
Yeah? And we're going to stop here for 3 nights.